coming.
Yo, they're both behind the white things, yo. The 4 white things, now they're at the dirt. Come here, come here.
I know.
Push out all the way out there. Go all the way out there. Film it, film it. What? Oh yeah, shit, okay.
Look at the dirt pile in the trench, I fucking hit your shoulder just now. Little fucking bastard, dude. It hit his shoulder. Where is he? I gotta reload. There's a few of them. Oh, he's fucking right behind the damn pile. Bitch, get your ass out of my territory! I hear the CO2. You're not even aiming the right way, Michael. Nate's behind the bags. Let's go behind the bin.
Oh, hit!
Woo! One, go!
Where they at? I don't. Where the fuck's Nate?
Mike's
Nate.
right over there to your left. See
Nate.
his head pop right there?
I know where he is. I'm talking about Nate. Go. Because if he gets around, we're fucked. I'm coming with you. Dude, I think I might get in these trenches, dude. Go. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna push out. Ready? 1, 2. Go. Good, you're good. Go. Push. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, run to the dirt. 1.
I'm not getting stuck on the fucking dirt.
Dude, I'm gonna be right here, like, bro.
I think you do it, honestly. Dude, like come through right there.
I'm gonna go back.
If mine's pushing back.
Okay. Dude, I don't know where they are, man. I don't know. I don't even fucking see him behind there. Like, for real. Huh?
He's not behind that tree anymore?
No? Unless they haven't poked out in fucking days. I say we just fucking rush. Okay, let's go. Let's go back around here. Let's go to those sand things. Both of us will go to the sand thing. They won't be able to touch us. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh no, they're back there. They're behind there. They're behind. I promise.
They're behind the wall?
Yeah. Shh. Hey, shh, shh. Yeah, they're behind the wall. Hey. They're behind the wall.
That's what you have. That corner right there. Because if anything, they're gonna post on this side and be right in the little area.
What the problem I'm worried about is push them back there. Like, can they go behind the barrel? They can't, right?
You can go back there. That's what I'm saying is if you fucking hit that corner right there and slowly come through, because you're lighter than I am.
No, with this thing.
Yeah, you are. No. You're still lighter than I am.
Okay, you ready? We need to do something. Okay, the biggest thing that I'm worried about is them being against this wall.
They aren't out there. I fucking went almost over.
Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna just rush. Fuck it.
Ready?
Ready?
Which way are you rushing?
Huh? I'm rushing you right there.
All right, ready? Go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Where are they? Hit!
Got your ball?
Hit!
We're done.
We're done?
Yeah, you fucking hit me.
Nice!